Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make your video blurry on a Capcut application. So first thing you have to do is open the Capcut application and start the new project if you have no project yet. But today for the example, I would like to do my previous project. So here I already have the video on my project, and to make this video blurry is so simple. So the things we have to do now is just focus on these features that show up here. And we just need to go into the effects part. In this effects, you just need to go click video effects. In this video effects, please just go directly into the search button and just type blur. And after that, you just need to go click search to search it. And now several blur effect will be pop up on your screen, and you can choose which blurry effect that you want to add or apply into your video. For example, this one. Okay, and after you're done, just go click cancel and click done in this part. And now let's have a test. You can see now the video already have a blurry effect on it. So that's the way how to make your video blurry on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.